A bathroom renovation is all you need. Let's talk about it. A bathroom is definitely an important space. There's two areas in your home that is much needed, which is always the kitchen. Half the time you're in that kitchen and the other time you're in the bathroom. And most people use that bathroom generally just to get away from everyone, just get away from the noise, the parents, and maybe just put the steam up, relax, calm down, get on their phone. They're probably sometimes sitting on the toilet, not using the toilet, but it's just a time of reflection and just getting away from everywhere else, right? But this is definitely the needed space. Let me show you. So if you take a second and you can look at the before, how this bathroom was. Let me just show you. Before here, there used to be a door here, a doorway here. So now we closed it. It would go from one room to the other room. There's a bedroom here, there's another bedroom, and they will both share this room. So now this bathroom is exclusive only for this bedroom, which is her daughter's bedroom. So we closed out this wall. This used to be an archway here, and it used to be a bathtub. Remember, this is a 100-year-old home. So she said, I want it to be temporary. I want her to come in here and relax and have everything that she needs. So generally speaking, right, kids go away to college, right, and they come back after college and now they need their own personal space. So parents are getting smarter and they said, you know something, we're gonna make this bathroom for you. You have your own bedroom, you have your own bathroom, and you can pay us a little rent until you're able to get on your feet and you have something really nice, right? Because the reality is now in this market, apartments are at $3,000 and mortgages are about $5,000, so they can still live with mom and dad, pay an average rent, and have a little comfortable space until they're able to grow in their professional career and be able to move on and fly away, right? So this is now happening more than ever. So if you have a situation like that and the kid's coming back home from college and doesn't have a space, DM me or hit me up and let me know, and I can remodel your bathroom or your basement or your kitchen as well, or whatever space for your kid. And a lot of people like to use their attic space as well, just for basic setups, right? This is where the bathtub was, right? So now we ran all the new plumbing here. There's gonna be 2 jet sprays here. There's gonna be a little wand here, a little niche. So if she has a lot of shampoos and different stuff, she definitely has this little ledge here. Also, she has a rain shower. It's gonna be hot, right? Little light here, vent, an extractor vent as well here, but the mom went the extra mile. Listen, this mom is definitely a #1 mom. Why? She went ahead and said, I'm not just gonna get her just a regular towel hanger, right? I'm gonna get her a towel warmer. So the towel warmer is gonna be on this side here, and the electrical is already set up for that. And so when she hangs up her towel, it'll be nice and dry and nice and toasty, right? And then we added all this here. So this is going to be recessed in, and the mirror is gonna be here. It's gonna be a lidded mirror and it flaps out. And I'm gonna show you that in the next video. And then this is gonna be a standing vanity. So it's gonna be about 24 inches, freestanding. Nothing's gonna be holding it up. And then also these cabinets are gonna be slow closing cabinets. So this is definitely going to be a beautiful space for her daughter. Just to give you a quick overview, we framed out the niche, we framed out and closed this wall, new electrical, right? Brand new plumbing. We framed out the floor because remember, it's a 100-year-old floor. It was not leveled. When we removed all the old tiles, remember, it was tiles that were octagon tiles, and then it had a mud work of 2 inches. So when we broke the plaster, it took roughly around 2 days just to remove everything. Brand new extractor vent. Everything is gonna be brand new here. Why do I say this, right? Because I wanna show you what is the expectation when you're doing your bathroom. It may be just a tile work job, and you said, I just want to do a little upgrade of my tile work. But if you're doing a full reno, think about insulation, think about electrical, think about plumbing, think about tile. Make sure that the floor is nice and level and all the nice finishes. So stay tuned for the updated video on the bathroom. Keep watching.